Fresh on the beat. Guess what it's called? What's called?
Damn, fresh.
And I go publish the matter for your sake. You make a man.
Hi guys, so I'll be creating this full face makeup look as the name implies. So first of all, I'm just using my Melanie Mills Gleam Body Radiance in bronze gold. I just do that right after I have prepped and primed my face, and I'd be applying it with a Zaron face brush. I'm just buffing that right into my skin before I use my foundation. I really love this product. It's super awesome, guys. So yeah, so I'm just buffing that in. And next I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 340. I believe that's Cappuccino. I absolutely love this product. It's super affordable drugstore makeup and it serves me so well. I'm still using the same brush I've been using for the first product I applied on my face, and I'm buffing that in right before I use my beauty blender to press it all in. So I'm using this beauty blender to press this and finish up the look and let it look flawless and all of that stuff. Yes, this beauty blender is from Yanga Beauty. Yanga Beauty is a Nigerian brand and they have amazing products, guys. I really love all their products. I get every of my makeup products from here. So I'm just going in with this Hegai and Esther Face Perfection Kit. It's just going to act as a concealer to highlight my face for my highlighter. So I'm just using the same blending brush to press the products in and blend it all out. Like they say, the secret of amazing makeup is just to keep blending, guys. You've got to keep blending, guys. So I'm just blending all that right into my face. So next I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder just to place on every area I have highlighted on my face. Yeah, I totally love this powder. It really works for me. I think I've even run out of the powder right now, but yeah. So I'm just applying that everywhere I have highlighted. For my brows, I'm going in with the Browlution Brow Pencil from Yanga Beauty. This brow pencil is so awesome. It gives you literally like a natural looking brows, and I just totally love it. So I'm just going to be using that to outline and shade out my brows, and you know the drill, guys. I'm just brushing out the hair so as to create a more even look, and then I'm using this flat brush from Mod Cosmetics. It's the LA Girl Concealer in Fawn, so I'm just using that to highlight underneath my brows, and I'm bringing the rest of the products down my eyes. That's gonna serve as a base for my eyeshadow, guys. This flat brush is so awesome. I've had this brush for such a long time, guys, and I really love this brush. I have no idea if they still sell it, but I'm gonna leave the brush and everything else in the description box. So I'm just buffing that out and setting that area I have highlighted on my brows and my eyelids with the same Sacha Buttercup powder, so I can go right in and apply my eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow I'll be using is the Jacyln palette. I totally love that palette, yes guys. So I'll be using that first shade. It's gonna act as my transition shade, and I'll just be buffing that right in. I'm using a naked blending brush. Yeah, the blending brush is called Naked Blending Brush. So I just tap out the excess and apply that first color as a transition shade in the windshield motion right all over my eyes.
Oh, baby, do you feel the bass? They said, "Feel me now." I said, "I know me now." That was a fucking mistake. But of Carolina, not one, not so me I not do again.
So the next color I'm going in is the second transition color. I'm so sorry guys, I wasn't pointing out the colors so well, but the Jacyln palette doesn't even have names attached to it. But this color, I'd say it's like a copper color, just quite dark, just to darken up my crease. And I'm just doing the same thing with the same brush. I'm so lazy with brushes, guys. I pretty like use the same blending brush for every transition colors. So yeah, I'm just darkening that up. Oh my god, I think I was just being so goofy here. You guys, don't even mind me, please. Just keep watching the video. Just let me out of it. So I'm using that dark brown shade from the same Jacyln palette, and I'm just using it on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm creating like an outer V. I'm blending it right in, just swiping back. I'm just blending that out so I can have a cleaner look on my eyes.
And if not fire for fire indicate, cause me I don't know again. Feel me now. I said I know me now. That was a fucking mistake. But of Carolina, that one not child. So me I don't do again. What you talk about hard out?
So I'm just gonna cut my crease with the same flat brush I used. So yeah, I just look up just to get my crease. I just apply a little product on my eyelid and then I look up, and that way I can figure out where my crease is. And right after that, I'll be going in with this NYX Jumbo pencil. It's the white pencil. Yeah, just so the cut can actually appear really brighter on my eyes. And after that, I'll be using a small eyeshadow brush from Zaron and applying the silver color right on my eyes where I applied the concealer, guys. So guys, I'm so sorry. I thought my camera was rolling, but I wasn't even filming. It totally went off. I applied my lashes and my eyeliner off camera. The eyeliner I used is the Maybelline. Guys, I'm really sorry. The eyeliner I used is the Inglot Jet Black Liner in 77, and I'm using this Maybelline powder to clean off the highlighted sides of my eyes. And I'm going in with this Tartiest Palette, the Tartiest X Shayla Palette, and I'm using the contour color to contour the hollows of my face. Yeah, just with all the brushes, most of the brushes I used are from Zaron. Yeah, they have really awesome brushes and they are so easy to work with. So I'm just contouring my face and doing the drills and all of that. So guys, I'm using the blending brush to brush out under my eyes with the colors I use from the Jacyln palettes right under my eyes. So I'm gonna be setting all that makeup in with this Sacha Fixit spray. Just spraying that all over my face and going in with my highlighter. My highlighter is Ruby Kisses All Over Glow. It's a gold bronzy highlighter. Yes guys, I'm sure you know the drill of that highlighter part. So I'm just highlighting everywhere I would want the light to hit my face in, and then I'm lining my lips with this Zaron lip pencil in Cappuccino. This is about the only lip liner I use. It's a brownie color, it's lovely, it's awesome. And right after lining my lips, I'd be using the Zaron lipstick in BareFaced. I hope they still make that lipstick because it's pretty great and awesome. So I'm just topping that up with a gloss. It's a clear gloss, that's the name, the gloss in clear from Yanga Beauty. I'm pretty sure you guys have noticed I've used so many Nigerian brands. I really mess with Nigerian brands, like that is so me. So I'm just using my mascara. It's the Maybelline Collosal mascara, just to do the drill, guys. Yes. So guys, this is the finished look, and this hair is awesome. I would also leave where I got this hair from. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup look, guys, as much as I loved filming this look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share. Alright guys.